Yo, mini ya Ghana ni a wohwe sa video yi. Je obetima ye e dia boa Ghana fa ye wo China. Ani se obehye sa video yi. E mana kwa kudu omampani enim. Se Ghana fa ye wo China, ye pese ye befi. Ye suwa che, ya titi ya che. Mididi mimi, because free China. Me Ghana ni amete China, matna afi anyfeni. Corona shase o China. Se China for ne yi corona ne gu yeso. Tuntum fo so se yemu ne ye corona no. Atiti ya yenemu wa hadie because me kan adie bechi. Ne mu me ne daidie masem ye kope. Enuanom a mo hwe video yi. Mummu wa yen na yensire Ghana mampani. Se Ghana for ye wo China, ye pese ye befi. We want to come back to our country. Na ye bre. Ya tene pie bosumi ensieni. Ye nye adwuma. Ye ntimi ntua ye rent. Ye ntimi ntua ye bills. Obi dumfo bi mpo ama obi bi se fatu aduane din. Ukura supermarket say black people are not allowed here. If you are from Africa, you can enter this market. Ye bre, ye fatty team. Ghana.
Yes, hello guys. Thank you very much for cricket. So boy faithful bringing to you from Accra Airport West. Guys, if your first time of watching my video, don't forget to subscribe and click on the notification bell. Today we are going to discuss on the topic Africa migrant in China. Last week ago, the Nigeria president, His Excellency Muhammadu Buhari, he did very well to repatriate the Nigerians in China, those in Wuhan who wanted to come back to Nigeria. Finally, the president did very well to repatriate all of them back. But the video that I want to show to you today, you're going to be surprised. Some of the Ghanaians are crying, also voicing out on camera and yelling, calling on the help of the President of the Republic of Ghana, His Excellency Nana Akufo-Addo. Their problem and the reason why they are calling onto the government assistance is they want to come back. They are fed up. They want to come back to Ghana. But I don't know why the time the Nigeria video was going viral, why the time those in Nigeria was sending videos and hitting the video all over. We were sharing the videos. We were broadcasting the video. Why all the Ghanaian community in China, you were silent, just like this. Now that the Nigerians are back, you are now on camera saying that you want to come back. My fellow dear brothers, sisters, most especially Ghanaians, migrants in China. If we have what can I say? You've sat down to know that the normal call on how things is going in China is not going to favor you. And yet you have to voice out as soon as possible. But what I say, the airline that repatriates the Nigerians was even saying kawo betima ka ho no aba. But man kasa we din say the hwenyamo. And that's why that time I was asking say this Ghana community, the Ghana community in China, are they safe? Because silence means consent. Nigerians were complaining. They were recording videos. We were sharing the videos. Now, let me tell you, we are living in information world to the extent that no one is ready to stand as a journalist to broadcast for you. You are journalists of your own. You are journalists. Each and everyone is journalist of his own self. So if you want to speak to someone, if you want to communicate to your president, if you want to say something to the world, switch on your camera, voice out as soon as possible. But thanks very much, one of the lady has sent a video message that all the Ghanaians in China, not all of them, some of them want to repatriate, want to come back to Ghana because of the situation. There is no job because of their situation. There is no money for renting. Even they don't give them access or chance to enter the supermarket for shopping. For that reason, the Ghana community in China has voiced out calling on the help of the government. My message that I am broadcasting through the channel Faithful Online TV, please, whoever will receive this video, try and do your best to send this video, broadcast the video till the video go viral. So our video and the message get to the president. But I know His Excellency President Nana Akufo-Addo is a responsible president. He's care for his people. When this message get to him, he will find out through the information minister. They will try to find out, and if it is true, because I'm not in China, I am in Ghana. So I can tell you that the message I am giving you is 50%, but not 100%. It's alleged. I am not in China. The video that I receive, either the person is just doing that in order to bring the attention of the government that those in China are not safe, or what, I don't know. So the information minister have to investigate this issue, so we will know if it is true. But if it is true, please, the message will get onto the government, and His Excellency President Nana Akufo-Addo will be on your aid. Thank you all guys. Thank you very much for sharing the video. If today is your first time of watching my video, don't forget to subscribe and click on the notification bell. See you and watch the video, and I know you will judge it yourself. I received the video 3 days ago. I decided to publish it so you can also share it. As more I am sharing the video, as more you are also sharing it to your friends till it gets to the responsible leaders in Ghana. Peace out.
Yo, mini ya Ghana ni a wohwe sa video yi. Je obetima ye e de aboa Ghana for ye wo China. Ani se obe share sa video yi. Amana kwa kudu omampani enim. Se Ghana for ye wo China. Ye pese ye befi. Ye suwa che. Ya titi ya che. Midi di mimi. Because free China. Me Ghana ni amete China, but na afi any feni. Corona shase o China. Se China for ne yi corona ne gu yeso. Tuntumu for so say yemu ne ye corona no. Atiti a ye nemu wa hade because me kan ade bechi. Nemu me ne dai de masem ye kope. Enuanom a mo hwe video yi. Mummu wa yen na yensire Ghana mampani. Se Ghana for ye wo China, ye pese ye befi. We want to come back to our country. Na ye bre. Ya tine fie bosumi ensieni. Ye nye adwuma. Ye ntimi ntua ye rent. Ye ntimi ntua ye bills. Obi dumfo bi mpo ama obi bi se fatu aduane di no. Ukura supermarket, they say black people are not allowed here. If you are from Africa, you can enter this market. Ye bre, ye fatty team, Ghana bay, yes slow. And you are no more yen yen siro mampeni. So me fa Ghana for your China in free her. China bay enough mu dear. Ama obi biara oninkrata we overstay no. Wa issue 1 month exit visa. Edi ama obi biara oninkrata se onfem free wo mayi mu nko. Akase ye mampani eba be fire free ekromo ha. Enro na minyane ntie se China for eboda no omo extend it to October and sana omo bie. There's no way say you bet me ako say omampani and charter flight army fire. Already at nefie busumi ensia. Yes, I didn't know become home to October. Intimate, say, and yet ye will cry the that. Yes, I did a become. Intimate try rent. Intimate try bills. Dear ye dimple, I know Eddie my. Minua mas Juma enemy ma apartment or mutimono. Wo ho ane afro. Yentimi no nya Juma bi. Enti two free apartment ni. Already what ne fe busu minsia. Sika ben na odi ko hide dan foforo atsene. Die ye dimpo ano de maye. Ghana mampeni. Yes, China for work. Ghana for work China. Ya this ready. Any idea about when you know yes, syllable. Ye mwa, never fire free a chromoha. And consider Ben na Ghana for China, yes, soon a bedroom penny for him. And consider Ben and penny for Betty and Cat, say a great ever China. Ghana Ben, ye miss Harry, yes, a mere grope. Ye pese ye befi, ye pese ye back to Ghana. Yes, sir. See, a better say a beba. Near quarantine 1 month, 2 months. As since ye bet na hania tea, ne coma dear near that bone team. Ye be do Ghana near quarantine 6 months cry. Ye ready see a bay. See, yes, sir, Ghana bang. Obi Pierre on Sabecan video. Buaye, yen sile Ghana man penny. So may evacuate Ghana for your China in free. Na ye dirty team. Die chat wa me de me video be bury ye. Se bia Ghana for dream say ye be fine ye de yare e ba Ghana dia. Ye di corona e ba Ghana dia. Enu die me de me say si me bo e ka se Ghana ni bie ni wo China o corona. Obi bia rampo ni wa test positive. Moreover no ya ye nyina test. Metie nikita test ma ko 4 ya ye me test ma ko 4 e kire se ni ye negative test ni ebi ni egu he 4 ni nyina ye negative Ghana ni bia mpo ni wa test positive e wo krom ha mesrew o mampani yes rew ye mwa e be fa ye free ha e fa ye ko anesa cargo plane ne ba be fire fu e dia bagana minua won sabeka video yi obi biara won sabeka video yi bi emwa obetimi dia boa Ghana fo aye wo China ni se obe share video yi e mana kwakodu o mampani ni na waye emwa abe fire e free hadia kofi yes.
And also after so me wo plan ba ko am person me de tumu ina wodi sa wo hwe ne se modoso na mo betimi find ways and means every the various city in China let's someone locate mu ho omurura alias enkrase ni bi so a ebe okay for you. Why do I say this? Said there be kwan bamu a mo betimi akoba bi te se Cambodia. Free say time am be ba China no ade ba kwa me hu ni say China for no enkrase for no omo they are friendly with Africans more than omo city no. It is our Beji na wo hwe na Beji honom no asetre ni munya finding ways and means Ghana community no let unity comes among yourself na munyina munni mu honkomo na mo finding ways and means a enkrase ni bi honom no mo be locate mu ho na matena honom na se omo farming work ya omo yi mo dem ho ahye farming working because farming work no ade ba kwa me hu omo feed omo and farming work is easy for you to survive in the village. So wo hwe na mo niska mo betima wo kipua emu bie na se government ni bie se airport na ye adwuma na mo beba Ghana opa maba ana se government no so etie musufre na se oma airline ba be pick mu free baby am won so a anu so another point and also mean condemn say emba se government no it decided say oh Ghana for e wo China said more cry on the assistance of the government no me no president His Excellency Nana Akufo-Addo, my ready. My name for I meeting in tea. Ya organizing airline at the Barber Farm, a Kobasa, and yet, made me Uncle Joe said, don't deny for that. Then when you are out Tiffy, let's scan you ho, the other better than any ho, then one way I as a travel agent, mentions me name said they are going to city. Na me name said the Asia city no. I will not encourage you say obetna capital city was mu bi Wuhan. Wa wo hwe ne se no man sinko ya, mon try na mon locate and go different place. Say wo China na wo hwe me a. Wo di kuro we be yam fato ho a city we Guangzhou. Guangzhou Nigeria for the man edane Africa city. Say Guangzhou e wo China. Ofa baby Africa for ni. Ofa baby Africa for ni. Nigeria for and a man danesa. Because Nigeria ni we kwatena ho. No afraid ni Nigeria ni no the number ho. No afraid ni Nigeria ni no the number ho. No ma mo ye ni business o mo to turn o ma no mo de akọ crew Nigeria. Say akwa ba se omo madwuma nye but there is nothing like stigmatization. Tiasema American, that is the advice I'm giving to you as brothers and sisters, as a travel and tour agent. Nyankopon puna meso, Emma Mumbi, Ekokudi China ho. Ye nano, ye expertise BBC ABC. It's unexpectedly what you say, Anna BBC akwakusi. Tisa akwa base mube free krokasi enima. Necessity is the mother of invention. A blebi term. His Excellency Nana Akufo-Addo kasa on the kasa same way. Samo kaya a blebia yemia baako. Ode gallon edane automatic hand washing machine. His Excellency the President of Ghana because necessity is the mother of invention. Inti mo hwe na se kwan bia ni ho. Na ekromu dan ya mo han ne boarding ya mon konkurase because the freedom you get in China no, because in the village there is going to be no stigmatization, but city ne there omodwe se mo kura na mo de ale ne bai. That's the thing that baffles or pains me. And so ni nyina AC because Africa na ye wono ye man na ye wo mu no adwuma eni ho entina dodo na ekọ China. Eko China say muko piska. Mutu kwa China for adwumantia. And na kwa bese ya advice akra me de be ma wonno. Na afin so ya hwe say yene information minister. And some no cry can say an information minister what that do. Said ye oso kam lesi oso na udi panyi bi atema sabi udi panyi bi e wo Ghana ha atema omotene ntempa no mo befa no oma bia na ifo befa no the same thing ana oso kam lesi wo so na se woka nyansasem so omote enti kamla kro na omutimi enya hu video hwe etimi de chi obi no sa kamla kro na so any phone kro na any screen kro na no mo hwe enti ye kan say no mate dada ti let's hope say solution beba as soon as possible. The American actually munina no. Me da munina mase. And then I will show me video na subscribe video no mame. The obet my apom no channel ne say obe subscribe no click on the notification. O subscribe to YouTube channel e free. E believe no be busa me say na so subscribe to my channel ne dia. Any on ne huska be say na so huska de e sa. So subscribe to YouTube channel e free. Ye jiska bia press on the notification bell this one. Anytime I send the video amount so ubenya a free. O share video no a o akwanya say ensem bia mde beto animu bia obetie daily. De bia me send the video. The reason here me was our channel we no is to broadcast the problems that our brothers and sisters in the diaspora that goes through. Ya ma me no ya papa no ye nua no ye sister no a o makodi akwantum no. They be a many geometry because we are travel and tour agent. Enti dodo na Yakopon na me so omakwa ko di China e bi so wo Europe e bi so America e bi so Arab country no many geometry enu ti na me watch channel be a friend of African migrants na monitor o mu nyina na African migrant edurubre bi ama YouTube fo we eba be broko me channel no omo broko no omo se ma post to Ghana we say national anthem say Ghana national anthem no obi copyright da so obi copyright e da Ghana national anthem ne so omo wone me first omo wone me second omo e broko me channel no channel we klempa ma e build no omo hu say ye me na me ye no eno so omo sha say attack mo me post video bia they always monitored my video kaminya kemeka twi nko a nenso me won microphone bi o Kenya me won microphone bi o Ethiopia me won microphone bi o enti se me ka twi nko a e ma me channel no nso asema America no omo nti ase enu nti na me ka brofo no ka brofo America me ni nye ho brofo nye kasa twi na ye kasa e fesen ka de bia me ba line so anaka my dem maka ye kasa se o Facebook live ana wo hwe me at this moment share comment fa adwen trebla na yehu de be video no sie wie so a me de ko YouTube live so Faithful Online TV ti se oba YouTube live so a no subscribe unsubscribe ya no share enso amaye and that's be free. Thank you.